Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I'm struggling. I went and did day 6 of, if you haven't seen it, I have a hoard cleaning series. I went yesterday and I probably worked harder than I should, but that's because it was actually cool yesterday. It was like in the 70s and the 80s because I live in California, and the fires have been so bad and the smoke has been so thick that it's actually blocking out the sun enough to give us a little break in the heat wave. So it's been nice, but I am definitely sore, definitely tired, and it's the weekend, yay, but it is the end of the first week of back to school, so everything's a mess. I've been, busy all week, plus there's school, and then I wanted to be able to do like a recess area on my patio for the kids, and I wanted to do that before like school starts, because like the first week of back to school was like, yeah, they were in class every day, but they had like basically just going over rules and things. It's not school. It's I'm sorry, my voice is rough. Like I said, there's a lot of fires here in California, and I noticed yesterday when I took off my N95 mask, it was probably darker than it should have been, so I probably wore it too long. You're supposed to change them based on, how smoky it is or whatever. And it's probably not good that I wore it till it was basically like brown. I even wore like my fabric face mask over it to kind of help, but I didn't wear one of my fabric face masks that I put a filter in, so definitely feeling it today in the voice, like dry. So if you live in the area where there's wildfires or California, like I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay indoors if you can. If you have to be outside, make sure you're wearing an N95. Wearing a fabric mask over it actually helps a little bit too. So stay safe, guys. I plan on trying to vlog and clean this weekend, but I mean, it's only going reasonably well. Everyone slept in this morning. The kids are watching TV, and Beto has his Switch. He's addicted to that thing. But it helps keep him entertained while Evelyn's trying to do school online and learn before we get into like the set routine where I'm able to sit down with him and have some time with him. So it's different, but we're making it. So it's been a long week, but we're doing it. And even if I take it easy today, I'll just bust my butt tomorrow and have everything done by Monday. So also, I will be uploading a hoarding video sometime. It's edited and uploaded. I just need to fix a couple things and schedule it or make it live or premiere. I want to premiere it, but I don't know if I'm going to get up early and actually like sit in the chat to see if people want to chat, which I usually do if you're there. I'm one of those people watching the video. I don't usually say anything unless someone says something first, because it is kind of awkward, especially since it's a video no one's seen before. You don't even know if it's very good. I'm my own worst critic. I hate all my stuff. I don't think any of it's good. I don't even know what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. I think Mario suggested we have ham and a turkey in the fridge, just like popping one of them in the crock pot and then making snacks all day until it's done. So I'll let you know how it goes. Since we got up so late, I'll just make lunch. Here I made sandwiches and some fruit. The kids have already eaten their sandwiches by the time I make sandwiches for the adults, so I'm just making them some fruit with a little bit of tahini. And then before I eat my sandwich, I went ahead and I put the ham in the crock pot so it'll cook all day. I've been super busy this week, and since Evelyn is doing her homeschool distance learning at the dining table, it just kind of becomes a dumping ground all week. I also need to desperately figure out some way to organize my pantry, and then I of course have dishes to put away in the dishwasher. So here's the after of me cleaning up the dining room. I still need to figure out what to do about my pantry, so I'll do that in a different video. I also finished my dishes and put the dishes away. I also had time to throw the kids' bedding into the washer and dryer and put it back on the bed. And then I also had time to throw the masks into the sink for a quick hand wash because we plan on having to go shopping tomorrow. So tonight I'm going to be making macaroni and cheese to go with the ham. Here I'm using my rice cooker to cook the pasta. I'll drain it and put it into this bowl that I've sprayed with cooking spray. Then I will melt a 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flour, and I'm going to mix it together, and I'm going to make sure that it is completely mixed, that there aren't any lumps, and that it's nice and smooth. And after it's nice and smooth, you're going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic, or any other seasonings you would like to flavor this sauce. This is just going to be kind of a simple garlic sauce to go in with the macaroni and cheese. After your flour and butter mixture is very smooth, you're going to slowly add 3 cups of milk. And you want to make sure that it's fully mixed when you're mixing the two together. This will kind of ensure that you're making a nice, smooth, lump-free sauce. Make sure you cook it over medium heat till it's thick and bubbly. Then cook it for a minute more to make sure that you're cooking out all the flour. Then I just add the sauce to the noodles, stir it together. Then I'm going to stir in some mozzarella cheese and a cheddar cheese blend. I like to use the Mexican cheese style blend. And I'll stir it all around until you notice that the pasta starts to stick together with the cheese. And you almost get like a cheese pool every time you're stirring it. Then I'll cover the top with more cheddar cheese. I'll grate a little bit of fresh Parmesan over the top. And then I will bake this in the oven until at least the cheese is melted. But you can also bake it longer to let it get as brown on top as you like. So we're out and about today because we had to pick up a math book for Evelyn's school. So we're gonna swing by the store and pick up some things we need. Huh, Betho? Can you say hi? Oh, you're so cute. So we're probably gonna swing by Walmart and Target probably. We're here at the post office as well, dropping some stuff off. My hair's a mess, but we are getting it done. Like the green one?
I think the green one looks...
It's not the same.
They're only two. It's just only $2. No, I don't see those. I don't know.
Those are cute. So from Walmart, we got some of these school supplies that were on clearance. The composition notebooks are good for her spelling words and things like that. I also like these graph compositions. They're very good for when I like to take notes or draw things or design. I picked up some extra scissors and some pencils. And then every year we buy the kids Christmas ornaments for the tree. So we decided to pick them up early this year since we won't be getting them anywhere else. More supplies. I got some of these bath bombs here to put inside of the prize apple for school prizes. We need more school prizes. Also got some of these brownie bites, or not brownie bites, pretzel bites, which is good. They're vegan, so everybody should be able to eat them. I got some guacamole to eat more salads with. Sometimes I'll use the avocado instead of the dressing, but then I also picked up some dressing as well. I got a no-bake cherry cheesecake. This is a signature scent for me for the fall. And then this is a new one that I am just loving, cedarwood and sage. I got some fabric fat quarters, kind of in the fall plaid black and white colors. These were on clearance. They were $5 and they're just so neat. Comes with a little remote where you can change the colors. And then Beto needed some new shoes, so these are Walmart's little Velcro sneakers. I love these. They're nice and light so he can run, and they're under $10. Just a simple little black and white running shoe, and it matches almost all of his clothes, so they're perfect. I also picked up some of these breakfast donuts. I got a fancier pair of shoes. They're still under $10, and they still Velcro. But these ones are a lot heavier, and I bought them in a larger size, so he can grow into these ones. $8.42, not bad. I got some nori because I've been having some sushi cravings. I might have to make my own. The same with the pie crusts. We've been having cheesecake cravings. I got some more baking soda for cleaning. I grabbed some distilled water. Mario uses a CPAP machine, and I will also put it into my steamer. And then some vinegar for cleaning. We found this mermaid bow on clearance for $1.50. My daughter loves bows. And then this Halloween bow, which I think will match the idea I have for Halloween. Then I was really excited to find these chalkboard poster boards for under $4 for 3 of them. I think they're going to be perfect for the classroom. So from Target, I got some more Mucinex. We got some strawberry Pop-Tarts. We needed more toothpaste. Then we got some of these Nature Bakery brownies. These are allergy friendly. The kids love these. They are vegetable based, vegan, dairy free. Also the same with these Made Good bars. I really, really like these too. And then I grabbed some of the 7th generation free and clear refill size, some ibuprofen, some Tylenol, some Tums. Then for the kids, I just stocked up on the junior strength Tylenol and ibuprofen. It's ages 2 to 11, so they can both take it. I just look at the back here, add up the total amount of tablets they're taking per hour, and try to do a rough estimate. And this is about a week's supply. If both of my kids were sick at the same time and needed around-the-clock fever intervention, this is what it would be. Is about 8 boxes, 4 and 4 of Tylenol and ibuprofen. This is our little snack setup so they can help themselves. The different levels allow the different ages to reach different snacks according to what they are. And of course, label the Pop-Tarts because who knows what's in that silver skin. So for September, I really want to try to eat a nice big salad every day. It's not like a healthy salad. The salads I like are more packed with protein. I like a lot of cheese, a lot of meat, guacamole, beans, you know, protein, fiber, nice, healthy, big salads for September. So if you're interested in having a bunch of salads for September, or maybe want some salad ideas, go ahead and check back. I will be posting salads that I eat. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I think I will be posting them there as well. Here is a sneak peek behind the scenes. I also filmed a floor update. If you are interested in watching that, it will be uploaded soon. So Sunday night, I go on. I log into her Google Classroom and I check her weekly schedule that's posted for the week to let me know if I need to buy any supplies or do any supplemental learning, things like that. But she also has speech therapy and I'm just trying to keep up with it all. I get a lot of notifications and I completely missed back to school night. I don't know how I did it. I also come in here and I will look at her spelling list for the week. I will print it off and then I will quiz her on the spelling words. Whichever spelling words that she does know, we'll move on. Whichever ones that she doesn't know, we'll go ahead and review so that she can get 100% on her spelling test. And then also while she does her at-home independent reading, I have her look up any words that she doesn't know in the dictionary to help her get some practice using her dictionary. The daily schedule just says that she has English and independent reading on certain days, that they're supposed to meet the requirements of time every week. So she should be good because I think I have her doing more than asked, but so I'm editing this video. It's this next weekend. And I realize it doesn't have an ending. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions at all or anything that you want to know or suggest, leave it in the comment section below. I'm always in the comment section, like always. So if I don't answer it right away, I will within a couple days usually. I try to answer all of my comments, answer any questions. And thank you for being so patient while I'm trying to figure out, I guess, my vlogging rhythm. It's awkward and difficult and hard, and you know, give me a thumbs up to know that I'm doing it. Like, you're enjoying it. It's something you're getting something out of, I guess, if that makes sense. So have a wonderful weekend, guys.